on the Karambit. Oh yo, I like these moves. They're so hard.
Okay, so show me the Karambit. Karambit. Oh, I have my style.
Oh,
Oh wow,
oh Jackson, wait.
that was pretty quick. Oh, wow. Okay, that's pretty nice. That's pretty interesting. So, which is your favorite now, the Balisong, Kalabong, or the Karambit?
The Karambit.
Karambit, because you just got it now.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I just said the flails on. Oh, huh?
Oh yeah, that's a pretty good knife. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Some YouTubers how did they go over here and they equip this and they oh maybe they put a jumping time really fast though.
Mm.
Oh, you sniped me!
Oh
Like
yeah.
I hate when somebody snipes me. I hate. Okay. This one out. I can't use the grabber. Oh, I just killed you with the minigun. Oh, the Karambit. Oh, you are ready? I want to use this. What the hell? Huh? No, I don't like the flails when it's good. Oh yes. I'm trying to test out the Karambit kills. When we do this, we test out a 2v2. So,
Yeah, we will test this on 2v2s.
yeah, I want to.
Yeah.
But don't use the flares. It will make it more harder.
Okay, I will try to run away from you and you try to catch me. Okay? Oh, that's nice.
Wait.
That's really quick. Okay.
Ha! Big banana pencil. Big banana
No. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you get an idea of how the use the handgun. Use the handgun.
Okay.
Use the handgun. Use the handgun.
Oh yeah, I like this.
Use it. I like this sound. It's really funny. Okay.
Big dummy.
Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. The easiest way to get the Karambit is to simply get it in the daily shop. Wait until it's available in the daily shop and then buy it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you want the Karambit now, because it's like the overpowered skin is really good.
Yeah, until next time.